In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Substack link. First, let's start with the basics. Every Substack publication automatically comes with its own unique URL. This URL follows a simple format, your publication name.substack.com. It's essentially the main address for your publication. So, if you're ever in need of finding this URL, it's conveniently located right there on your Substack dashboard, sitting quietly but importantly in your browser's address bar. Now, when you're ready to start spreading the word about your Substack, copying this URL is a straightforward task. All you need to do is navigate to your publication page using your web browser. Once you're on the page, take a glance at the top of the browser window to locate the address bar. This bar displays the URL of the page you're currently visiting. With your cursor, simply hover over the URL, click to highlight it, and use the copy function. On most computers, this means right-clicking and selecting Copy. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts, Command+C on a Mac, or Control+C on a Windows device. And just like that, your URL is copied and ready for sharing. With your URL copied, it's time to consider where you'd like to share it. There's a variety of options available to you. Email is a popular choice. If you have a mailing list, it can serve as an excellent method to directly inform your audience about your publication. Social media is another dynamic channel to consider. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn can help widen your reach, allowing you to engage with your audience more interactively. Moreover, if you own a personal or professional website, including your Substack URL there can act as a dedicated platform to draw in readers who are interested in your work. Now, sometimes you might prefer to share a specific post rather than the entire publication. Substack simplifies this process as well. While viewing a post you wish to share, look for a share button or a link within the post itself. This usually provides you with a unique URL specific to that entry. Copying and sharing this individual post link is just like before. Click the link, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Afterward, share it using the channels of your choice. And there you have it. Sharing your Substack link is not only straightforward but truly an essential practice for growing your readership and connecting with your audience. By following these steps, you ensure that your insightful content reaches as many eyes as possible, fostering engagement and expanding your online presence. Happy sharing!